Could this device really switch off period pain in an instant? Is the Livia device really just an overpriced TENS machine for period pain? Hey girls, Kavita here for Match Health, helping you to feel your best and to live your healthiest life. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my honest review of the Livia device and tell you if this technology can actually help you relieve your period pain. I've been working in the health technology space for over 15 years, marketing, selling, and evaluating cool new innovations like the Livia device. In my review, I'm going to compare the Livia device to a standard TENS machine that uses a similar technology but is a fraction of the cost. Also, I will show you how I used these two devices to deal with my lower back pain and intense period cramps. By the end of this video, you will find out if either device is actually worth the money. Be sure to subscribe and also click that bell so that you get alerts for when my videos are launched. Hey ladies, it's the day before my period and I'm already feeling some pre-period symptoms. My lower back is really achy, it's throbbing, and so I'm dying to find out if TENS technology is really gonna help me knock out some of this lower back pain so that I can avoid taking some pain medications and just find some relief. And let's find out which of these is going to work. The first device I'm gonna use is the Livia device. I just charged this the night before and it just has two pieces to it. It has a cord with the pads and it has the actual device. I'm just taking the cord and I'm inserting it into the top portion of the device, and then the other side are the pads. All you do is simply take off the plastic and make sure you kind of keep those for the next time you use it so that you can put them back on the pad. I'm literally going to place them on my lower back where I'm feeling the pain. It's gonna turn on the button, and I actually don't feel anything at the moment, so I'm just gonna press the plus sign to increase the intensity. Now friends, let's see if this device works. Does this technology even do the trick? I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna spare you the details of how to use and turn on the HealthMate Forever. The setup is very similar to Livia, but just has more cords, pads, and modes to treat different pain points. Hey girls, now for a quick review. Do these devices actually help me with my lower back pain? And the answer is yes, they were amazing. Both devices totally did the trick, and it really helped knock out that throbbing feeling, the achy feeling, and normally I would have had to take pain medication, and in this case I didn't. This is a fantastic option. Totally consider using TENS technology to help with lower back pain, whether it's during your period or even outside of when you're having a period, you might suffer from lower back pain. Definitely a great option. Now for the true test. How are these devices gonna help with my actual period pain? By now you have got to be wondering, how does this thing actually work? What is the magic sauce? The Livia device is basically a TENS unit, similar to the HealthMate Forever. TENS stands for transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. These devices work off of a really cool concept called the gate theory of pain. And don't worry, these don't hurt you at all. Take Livia for example. It sends out vibrations or electrical pulses. These vibrations travel faster than pain signals and race to your brain first, closing off doors to other pain signals. And by blocking off the pain, it can give you the relief that you're looking for. Girls, it's day one of my period and my contractions are really intense. I feel like someone's taking my uterus out of my body and just like squeezing the life out of it. But then I also feel like someone's taking a knife and just like stabbing me in different parts of my abdomen, especially on my right side, which is where I have endometriosis and I have some fibroids, so my pain is really intense there. So I'm literally gonna try both of these devices and see if either can help knock out my pain like now. Both really help to reduce my pain overall, but it definitely was not a cure. It didn't knock my pain out completely. And so I really do recommend still using alternative pain relief methods. And so I recommend watching my video on 10 secrets to natural and instant pain relief, because I think it's good to have a mixture of different options to help relieve your pain, especially when it's really intense on those first few days of your period. For me, the difference between these two devices was that I have to say the HealthMate Forever actually provided more strength or intensity to help knock out a little bit more of that intense pain. And I like that it gave me more options, like it gave me more pads to put around my back, my lower abdomen. Whereas the Livia device, I only had 2 pads that I could use, so I felt a little bit more limited. But in terms of being able to move around, go do errands, go out for a meeting, the Livia device was certainly more helpful. Keep watching to get my full review of these devices to figure out which might be the right match for you. Girls, let me know, would you try out TENS technology? I think it's definitely worth a shot. It doesn't hurt you, and if it's a way to relieve your pain, why not? So let me know in the comment section below if this is something that you would try. First question, does TENS technology actually work? Does it help relieve period pain? Absolutely, hands down, TENS technology is an awesome option. It's a great alternative that doesn't hurt you, and it helps you to not have to take as many pain medications, and it really does reduce period pain. Now let's talk about the actual devices, the Livia device and the HealthMate Forever. Now both of these devices do work, but there are differences, and I really want to help break them down so that you can figure out if either is a good option for you. Let's first talk about the Livia device. It is priced at around $150. This device has literally been designed and created to treat period pain. And with that in mind, the device is sleek, lightweight, discreet, compact, and that allows you to use it on the go. When you are at work, you can clip it onto your pants. No one would even know it. You can throw it into your purse and use it to go run errands. It really gives you the option to take advantage of this technology, but literally while you're on the go. If you want to use the TENS technology, but you just don't want to pay the high price tag, the HealthMate Forever is a great option. It's highly rated, it's a high quality product that comes in under $25, so much cheaper, very affordable, and it gives you a great alternative option. I liked this device for a few reasons. First is that it offers a variety of different modes, which is great. I could use it for my shoulder, my back, a variety of different modes to help you with general pain points that you might have on your body. Second thing I liked is that it offers not just 2 pads, but actually 8 pads, which is fabulous because I was able to use this device on my lower abdomen as well as my back all at the same time. The other reason I like this device is that it offers different levels of intensity. For some reason, I really felt like this device was actually more intense than the Livia device. Now let's talk about some of the drawbacks. You are getting a much clunkier device. This device is not some sleek design. It's not something that you can use on the go. I mean, it literally looks like a big TV remote control that you really are not going to want to take around with you. It's one of those devices that you would be like hunkering down in your bed or on the sofa with. Girls, I'm just happy that there are companies out there that are designing new innovations to help with women's health issues. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing, awesome products and services that are really going to help make a difference in your life and help optimize how you feel and help you live an easier, better life. If you found this video to be useful, press the like button. Also, subscribe and share it with a friend. Can't wait to see you in the next video.